Ma'am, Krumzari doning Virus Impact News Nay Raj Nongthombam Manung Hutna Hariba 360-degree analysis of news and events ta Mayam Butar Moktori 2016 happy 2016 gi December gi tang Nipan gi numidang da Manipur gi district Hana Mapan Leramada gi Taredam Hapchalaga Puna district Taraga Taruk 16 districts sugre 16 districts sugre Matung Sida of Zixi Chingi district Puna Tarani aduka Tampaki district na Taruk ni habatare Tara sigi Manungda Hana dagi adumak autonomous district council se Taruk le hatar district Taruk di le नौ न york Chingi district mari habatare masi di autonomous district council se Hana leramate Hana district se Puna leramani autonomous district council se Puna lerame habatare adubu 2016 dagi di 2016 December gi tang mapan dagi di nipan dagi di hairiba anuba district mari hapchal Chingi maphamda maroina Fairzol None Kamjong Amadi Technopal Hariba Chingi district Mari se autonomous district council laitaba Anoba district Mari in Habatara Handagi Lajaba Taru Habatarga di Sadar Hills Natraga Kangpopi Aduga Senapati Anidere Aduga Sonta Kogi Chandela Madichu Sampulere Aduga Tamilong Amadi Ukrul Hariba Taruksigi Hanadagi ADC se ADC Lebino Marborga ADC Mikkel Makpangtui Aduga Hojik Paubusida 1971 onwards habatare hoji pawse ta punna ADC se term se mangarak leigre marak ta sang na 1990 hatar 89 degina 2010 pawse sang na lepur 2009 buk lepur ha ta chahi kun kun mathoi se lepur aduga 2010 da mari rak suba ADC mikal pangtoi aduga 2015 gi jun gi tang wan da mangarak suba ADC mikal pangtoi sad koi gi ADC taruki mikal se pangtu matung sita mamang chahi 2020 gi coronavirus ki pandemic marak ta Mega tarik kuntra matu isi da mangarak suba ADC ki magi tenure habatar matam se loigre atu pandemic se number moiraga lenga ang nama se thataru extend to busi November gi tang kuntra da loigre November gi tang kuntra da loir matung da lenga ang November gi tang kuntra si da haire ADC taru se dissolve tawre atu dissolve tawdrenga da high court na November gi tang kuntreta ko interim order amadi thoi hairiba ADC singa se makathan extend to no bidong ta thataru amaga puna ko gi chahi ama extend to buye atu thataru amaga tawtar ge masi koi me phawa dum chana ba yaba dum ADC odune adubu lenga na di November gi tang kuntra da dissolve tawkhre adubu luri wahang di dissolve tor matung da anu bataru lak suba ADC gi da makta mikhal gi notification thokna hoji phawba ler ko habatare since 1st December 2020 dagina hojik phawba singa si April gi tarikh Ani yorobane marmaduna hoji phawda election notification thokte mikhal pangthok pi haidana ATSUM na amadi tongan ba khogi Chingi student union amadi CSO singna adumak demand tawdra laibane adubu hojikti koi ATSUM na taliba demand habatare ATSUM sina haisi handagi lejeri ADC taruk sidi mikhal pangthok piro anobo mari sigi di same sabasu matam khara changa dawni na hoji amadu pangthok pi wahum sipan bande duna taruk ki sidi pangthok piro habi ofom lai at the same time district khogi demand committee on creation of autonomous district council in Fairzol Kamjong None Amadi Tenopal Hariba Kogi platform asina organization asina habata association asina su Hariba district Mari Sigi Makogi right amo ribe ADC sema matung da Mikhal Punna Hariba Taramaki Pangto the Podi Mikhal se Pangto Pino have demand maleri but at the same time Mars ke tang kuntreta state cabinet na government ke state cabinet na announced okre Hariba state koi district Taramak sing district Taramak da ADC Mikhal Pangto no gedam da same sabagi thabak horgani haibagi adu hauji phawi nadi election department ki maike digi notification thokpuletri manodana Mikhal sekam ganda tawduno haiba khangbuletri therefore at sumna harisi athu bada district taru sigi di to biro habi ohum leri and demand committee maike digi Taramaki tawgadam ni haiba waloriba district mari ki so idana Mikhal se pangto kodane haibi ohum leri one election two different demands demand kitang khenaba demand budi ama khatini habi adubu taru khatangi tawgadra tara khatangi tawgadra haibagi so da khenaba kitang leibasina two demands and one election haiba matang se da khana ne no tang si impact news ki Manung Hutna ki thamdaling sin dole birbasi joining us tonight on Manung Hutna Fairzol Kamjong None Amadi Tenopal Hariba Anoba district Mari Asidasu ADC Legadabani Haiduna Koi Changchaliba Adumlaba committee demand committee on creation of ADCs in Fairzol Kamjong None and Tenopal gi convenor Oja Simon Kamei Amto Oja Simon Butaramokcheri welcome to the show appreciate you joining also joining us all tribal student union Manipur ATSUM gi general secretary Andria Sinruwng ni Andria Butaramokcheri welcome to the show appreciate you joining ahan se Andria de dum hojori Andria demand committee gi maike de gi higher up ngarang press conference ma tawbada akoina impression am akhon election jabang ambasi ATSUM na district Mari Anoba district Mari se yaudra su taruk handagi lejari district taruki ADC taruki Mikhal sidi haurasi habagi pressure am piba mali masi tohning de Tara maksigi pull up to pami have you from like so you are being accused of doing election only for 6 districts. Mr. Cry Power, Chumi Cry Power, Yabini Kamai.
Thank you for the time. Yan Hanbada ADC Autonomous District Council High was a state Manipur state later either as a union territory in Labor Matam 1971 the Indian Parliament na Ching Sida Manipur state ki Ching Sida Autonomous District Council Labor the Karui Maram the Ladiba Ching Sida Local Self Governance Institute of Dovni Ladiba Ching Lum Resources Culture Traditional Practices Mayam protect preserve other the Ladiba state governance systems decentralized Manipur Hill Areas District Council Act 1971 Sigi Makada Autonomous District Council enact same other the 1972 the Ladibo rule of same heraga adum elections pangthokre pangtho heraga 1988-89 the 2010 pause gap maram the Ladiba ADC ki power and functions limited way heraga matam madugi leaders na Ladiba ADC ki power se we need to kaini chauhan ba darkar tai haiba ki madugi demand Ladiba ADC elections sumaina stagnant on erami other the 2010 after a few amendment in the act principal act amendment 2008 ta tawbadagi
right
elections dum 2010 dagi haure hauraga 2015 da sumuk chathare and then 2015 gi election gi masi gi tenor lakose in fact originally 2020 gi sahib May da loiga doram expired doram ne adu bu matam du da before the pandemic let us go back to some history
right
before the pandemic matam to the Hill Areas Committee na since the ADC is under the purview of the Hill Areas Committee ADC is a Hill Areas Committee ki purview the levni na Hill Areas Committee na matam to the May June sida election to buse it's not feasible rainy season ni haiduna masai gi administrative difficulty or however on the ATSUM we feel that it is misinterpretation higher gadumatam to the extension get a recommendation to Rome Madu ATSUM na su February the gidi we have placed our representation to the government as well as to the governor also this will be a bad precedent lakadu yuba chahi sida history on legni ADC elections it usually falls in the month of May and June and it always happened and then there was no problem of rainy season adu kumsi gi handa gi matang si the rainy season maram oi heraga extension to obviously maram cha di hedna khoi su kan hirami
okay
and then even government su madu gi representation tawrami adu bu hoi government na state government na ngasai Hill Areas Committee recommendation do accept away heraga they go ahead with the extension of 6 months with effect from 1st June till the 30th of November fortunately or unfortunately pandemic lagre pandemic lavne rakhi gi ATSUM na ngasai gi tawriba demand do as it goes on ko pandemic lairamni na ado ngasai gi state government maru na sida khoina khangdo mona state government extension tawba gi matamda order piba ganda there was one condition saying that the election will be held in the intervening month of October and November 2020 gida
yes
madu order chap chan leirabne madu mayam ngai narabani not only ATSUM the whole population of the state were waiting for that adubu madu gi October November gi yaurakpa tanja du da ATSUM na nan tra mayam election se pangthok pe yare state gi order su leirabani haina when we apprised government was hesitating to go ahead with the election saying they were not prepared
okay
masidane ATSUM khakta nate the whole tribal population we were shocked sigumba government gi order ama leina karigino government na election preparation to da base leiriba autonomous district council hai base ching gi dama self government leina bahaina parliament pi base state government adi yam serious on khanbi da bazara haibi gi wakhan leitaba nate So we hesitation changani haina su through media su yam high rabne then
March 11 how ultimatum p aduga dubok lenga na notify torok tab election notification pirak tab dagi 12 to su koi 24 hours ki shutdown kar tor me
no, I'm talking about the previous
2020 gi
2020 gi I kitang history changning madu
okay
other matam to the government they invited us we said okay we have to talk we are in the talking time aduna while in the discussion we asked the government why you have failed to give your order. Why you have failed to conduct the election in contrary to your own order? Madune ATSUM na place those.
Okay.
Then the government has we have failed to process the electioning process. Electioning process at the so we need time. Then gently ATSUM said, fine, we understand your problem. Kindly take time. Maduda gini ATSUM ga government ga November that for the MOU signed to haraga. From there on, the state government has intimated the election commission Manipur to process the electioning process. Aduda gini November the electioning process was the process was well the process and then even the electoral draft published over. Electoral roll published over have it is inclusive of the whole districts, not only the six districts. The other 4 were also included.
Okay.
And then I'll reiterate again. ATSUM demands that it is inclusive.
Okay.
It is inclusive. Inclusive ni demands there is no division of 6 and 4.
Okay.
ATSUM ki demand it's inclusive. Nahan ki paper jo khoina phajana sida pong abne. Maduna ngasai ki mu halage. Ngasai ki process se loire and then even the election commission they have conveyed their tentative schedule of election. Tentative schedule for convey to robone. According madu ki tentative schedule ki matungina the whole electioning process must be end by March sitha sidaniva. And then last week of February is the notice talk. So that was how the preparations were met and finalized. Adubu was I notice talk then we ATSUM comes up again.
Okay.
This is not happening. MOU signed to we have to respect it. Haina Smaina we again call for an agitation 13th March, 24 hours effectively.
Right.
14 we have a sitting with the government. Then government we had an agreement that 31st ki Manung sida
31st March.
31st March ki Manung sida clarity of state cabinet law ni have
clarity ma pig re tara mak ta pangtho ni na same saba
that I'll come again. Clarity of pig ni have ne.
Okay.
31st Manung da ko. We are waiting for that. And then 27, state cabinet na decision lawe. The state cabinet decides to hold election, ADC election, including 4 hill districts, namely None, Paryol, Kamjong, and Tangnopal. Masida, akoin ATSUM na khali the decision itself is not clear, havne.
Okay.
Clarity later, it is confusing the people, havne. We have an observation on this. 2-3 observation. Okay. The one, in the first place, ATSUM demand is inclusive. Not of only 6, it includes of the 4. Ani subada karigi tungan 4 district bu include tawuni haina tungan sumaina lauthokpano. That confuse the people.
Ano bo mari jide Ferzol Kamjong none amadi tenopal hana ADC leramde madi hana gi lejaram ba district sing dura punna leram manina.
I'll come back. Aduna huziki leiriba district mari singse hana gi leiriba ADC tarukta yawo leiri. And the process where it is. Leiriba electionary process to district mari singsu yawo rabne. If we can go back Tauriba election commission convey Tauriba process to subdivision law in Europe Hilgi. Okay,
subdivision the away, but separately Ferzol Autonomous District Council, Kamjong ADC, None ADC, Tianopal ADC, Hybrid adu the clarity amalito male hatar
clarity lite aduna ne hojik aina ATSUM na hairi je
therefore adai du da male ai amung lakse ge makha ta na oza Simon lakse oza okay ATSUM na han da gi taliba demand se that the inclusive of all the hill districts hai tare hill district area sing sida riba han dagi dum mikhal pangthok lai mayam sida mikhal pangthok si habagi demand dum laingak ta tawbni hai adubu demand committee gi maike dagi di hai riba district mari anoba district mari si hana district taruk tu da punna yarom mani adubu separate 2016 onwards the separate district olabni na magi separate ADC laigedabni hai demand am lagum mali and ATSUM ji only 6 to the mikhal pangthok pamba aduga mari sigi di separately pamdaba tawtar ga so punna hanagi 6 ki mong du da mari si yaho laga tawba pambagi mong ama ngarang koi demand committee na su do phongdok bile masi adai du da di adum balai ti habi wapam ma koi Andria na su thambiri uda ko mai sengopini
yamna thagasare impact TV news bo asigumba golden opportunity ATSUM ga demand committee on creation of ADC autonomous district council Pazo None Kamjong Tengnopal Mari district Mari sige ani makpo pulhal laga aikoi kamai na discuss tawraga phafataba oi bangamba ngamdaba haiba makhaido samdai naraga kamai na how to bring about haibagi matang sida manung hutpa sida ai busu convenor oina invite tawbibagi damakta yamna thagachari aduna ozagi Grinodo question do aina kumning bade ATSUM bo akoina akoi ADC Mari ADC district Mari Fazol None Tengnopal Kamjong against the lay havenate
okay
makoina su kadawai su district Mari se election tawba yade haide
yes
aduga asisu tawgani haibaso haide yaw hallo haibaso haide yaw hanganu haibaso haide
okay
adu moigi wahaido da aduni adubo ATSUM gi demand de atuba matamda election se conduct taw view haina government budi moi pressure tawe ban kawe kari kawe adubo aikoi na haiba means di aikoi district demand committee shu form tawraga aikoi district mari sisu handak lakadaba government of Manipur na election commission of Manipur na notification lauthokadabada aikoi district mari sisu yauhan ninga aikoi tawse haina committee ama form tawkre committee ama form tawraga aikoi na first chief minister the honorable chief minister Biren Singh ji da aikoi memorandum submit tawai adu submit tawraga reminders amuk submit tawai adu matungda aikoi prime minister of India da submit tawai aduga adu khaktan natraga public interest litigation adu high court of Manipur da aikoi district mari gi citizens gi behalf ta aikoi thai kari orga su aikoi su hill district laibane aikoi su equal right le hanna ADC existing 6 ADC the equal right laibagumna aikoi district mari si tribal district ni hill district ni aikoi su moi enjoy tawbagi benefit moi enjoy tawbagi opportunities makhaido aikoi da su PBO haina government da aikoi ni ba matamda aikoi honorable chief minister na noma aikoi demand committee bo invite taw tawraga aikoi government of Manipur ga tok chat pa matamda mana aikoi ta full 100% assure tawbi ba hai basidi gari orga su aikoi na aikoi grievances makhaido hai ba matamda handak ma when the iron is hot saringai da jahu yai ho ado aidi marik chumna purak pangamani hai bugumna aikoi se election matam se on the door ado laida laibdina hot issue oiden laibdina government chu adum khangani adu digina koina asi issue makai se grievances makai se koi puthok se aina koi puthok pani puthok pa matam da government na patiently listen tawraga aikoi petition makai aikoi ge grievances makai aikoi ge constitutional right makai do moina observe tawraga moina krino address tawbire positive response piraga tauba means the proof the karino hai bakanda ai na petition tha bakanda the Department of Hills and Tribal Affairs da pire pi bakanda commissioner na memorandum cabinet memo semraga Manipur cabinet thagatlaga March 27 da under the leadership of Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Biren Singh Ji gi makhada Lusing bagi makhada Fazol district, Noni district, Kamjong district, aduga Technopol district issue noigi 2021 ADC election sida separate ADC oina noida so install to bigani ado necessary step today athuba matamda government na laukhat kani haina cabinet to approve tawbi cabinet approve tawbi khrabne na aikoi di district mari da leiba victim oina district ama create tawbi ra 2016 dagi create tawbi ra housing pau 4-5 years 7 years ugdare aikoi se aikoi gi local self government hai se aikoi enjoy tawbo phangde aikoi gi right hai se exercise tawbo phangde karigino hai ka anda koi local self government leitamne na the district and state na PB raga aikoi da district mari da state madali treatment pi na leiradi aikoi su khang bang amaroi adudagina kari oraga su aikoi gi right to fulfill tawio hai badu da state government na positively study tawiraga response tawire we are very much happy and grateful to the government of Manipur and cabinet decision lo wi bado government bu se akoi thazaba lai se hai bi wan government bu akoi thazadradi kana bu thazagani
okay government bu thazare government su march ki tang kun gatareta
moina approve tabre action tawire
cabinet ki approval pire hariba district mari se ki separate ADC nikal handak pangtho ni adna thazaba pire 100% pire now ngasi april ki tang ani only 7 days chai wala ma khatang 1 week khatang ai within a week what happened to demand committee hayeng dagi march koi april ki tang ahum ki midnight dagi 48 hours ki koi shutdown tawni and hari se hill district sing sida government ne the positive signal ampire so what happened to demand committee ne shede pendri se kari
pendra ba hai basibu aikoi isin ni now si aikoi ATSUM koi moisu tribal gi interest ta matam khuding mata since inception ko tribal gi right ki damakta moisu suffer tawdan lapni
okay
fight tawdan lapni adubo handak marak se moi gi satar of demand government da pikhat padu da aikoi district mari bo se kamai na kauthok pirambra
strong
aikoi gi grievances aikoi su amna wana laye haibado mokoi na kamai na kauthok pirambra haibado ne ba aduda moina ngarang nahan mak tu da strong news da moi media da mo phondo kari oraga su ban se resume tawgani athuba matam da election gi notification thok trasi hai na mo hai jil kari adu gi misunderstanding habiti cabinet na di loud and clear black and white 27 March the government under the leadership of Birenji na chief minister na black and white ta loud and clear da 10 district hill district ta separate ADC government election se tawgani
ado hayeng
ado tawningai to government na necessary step makai to lawgani hai na hai ba matungda moi na confusion chap se kari gira hai ba gi wan ya ba
okay ada sida just hai man hai bir sida hai di lenga ke makai di positive response la ready demand committee as well sida ado hoji phawgi onadi okay satisfactory ori hai tare ado now hayeng dagi hogodri ba midnight hodri ba 48 hours ki Chingi district Singi shutdown say, is it against the government or is it against ATSUM?
Anybody against Buddhi Natte, we are most welcome to the step taken by the state government. But we have also to exercise our democratic rights.
Demand committee ki koi objective hai ta ban to gi shutdown ki objective se clear
ho some koi na clearly mention tawraga district truk khat tagi election tawbiro atuba matamda haibagi namada aikoina adusu laurakpanya bako
okay okay ATSUM na only district taruk hai tare district taruk sida hanagi mari sisu yorum mane tare mari city 2016 ki December ki tang nipan ki nungdang sida create tokre mari ha tara surai tare apun ba Manipur gi 16 districts ki manungda valley ki district taruk aruga hills ki district tara hai tare district tara si manungda taruk ki di hanadagi ADC le jare anu mari sigi separate ADC installed to wada kari kaiba ki sinda and government has already March ki tang kun gatare sida tara maki 10 different district ki 10 different ADC mikal pangtho ko ni hai re adu da clarity leiti hai se kariyo bidino demand ke medigi maike di clarity se ATSUM ki maike di leita bane ATSUM is not against the for new district anu district mari sigi against the labor zunate but adu moi mari sigi separate ADC le gada bane haiba wafum sitting asi phau da hai di haiba gi charge sama lai kamaina respond to bini
ATSUM na district mari gi autonomous district council tungana separate on a PO have se kadungai su khoi na moi buting de
okay
we appreciate it it is their right to demand as however lairiba situation sida I'll repeat again kari gi 27 gi cabinet decision se ambiguous oe clarity leite kari gi haibno ATSUM na and then we again stated that it is dividing the tribal people have there. I'll observation pick up ATSUM ge 2016 the district council district mari chingit happy sorry manga
Sadar Hills
manga and then madugi matam the autonomous district council taruk leye leiriba hojiki district mari se autonomous district taruk se yauraga leirabne and then they have the right to vote right to contest they are all included under the present ADC Act district ariba singa anauba singi they have the same right pertaining to the ADC equal right no discrimination on this we appreciate the initiative the demand of the new districts for a separate ADC what do they appreciate away adubu however aina ngasai no hojik matam sidadi kari government na leiriba mamang suk chahi mari manga sida why are they remaining silent government if they are in fact leiriba district mari gi dama tasena ma khanbi bo ready chahi mari manga se kari tawra leirambano
2017 onwards
2017 dagi si leiriba mayam sida kari tawra leirambano and then last year even leiriba hojik ki ADC gi terms loi silak po da su why what were the government doing government kari preparation law da buno till the end of 2020 and the first month of this 2021 that is January and then the last second week of February till this government kari taw le rabano masigi matam mayam sidadi why were they so silent on the 4 districts why out of sudden
hojik khakta karigi
government su karigi damak su moi gi decision change to buno let us be practical have nida
okay
leiriba hojik 6 autonomous district council covers the 4 districts they are still under this ADC and then state government is hesitating to conduct the election of this 6 autonomous district council leiriba ADC bu election tawbagi hesitate oina hojik anauba separate on the pig have say this is beyond our kaini grasp I will say absolutely it's a far fetched
atu hanagi apun bhaitar ko district tara leringe gi mapal leringe matam ko anauba district ko tarir hapsalak basi December gi tang nipanda 2016 gi December nipanda hapsalak aduga koi hanagi ADC taru ki mikhal pangtho phadare district mapan khatal leringe matam haibtare madusina 2015 gi June gi tang man mikhal pangthok pa adugi matam du da di haribe ADC taruk sida loina makam jong su none su arigi technopal su aduga koi ferzol su pulab yaur le rahe tare
exactly
adu 2016 dagi di district mari se atraga kang phok yaur ga manga se nauna thola bani na aduga terms in amu 2020 da loire adu bhaw da punna le minar me haiba mag yai ADC for example akogi Tamilong ADC da non issue dum yawe abu ke sugai de Chandel ADC da akogi Tenopal yawe abu ke sugai de Ferjol se dum Chusampur da yawe abu ke sugai de ukul ADC da akogi Kamjong yawe da ke sugai de adu bhaw haidi 2020 bhaw di keno da 2015 da punna bhaw thada mi na bani but now 2020 the term loire bani na 2021 ke fresh election lakh matam da di akogi newly district oigraba mari se masigi da makta tongan ba ADC lai han ba kari kai gi sini
kasu kai de but government were not prepared
okay government preparation
laite aduga
miyam bu thugai do re habi of matam biki
because it is mayam bu thugai do kari gino ha ba we were all inclusively for the 4 districts as well as the 6 districts 10 le riba ma'am suji ki ADC ki ek ki manu election to view han to bune have the government were not preparing for bifurcation
adu district khudima ki magi but district SP district magistrate
but
le jabar maina district ADC su lai ba
district administration ga ADC tungale
yes
ko tungale district administration ga autonomous district council ga administration tungale and where in ek the DC district amana autonomous district council soidra separate like ni have laite bifurcate to ga tawrusu the ek Hojikile River Manipur Rest District Council 1971 has to be amended.
Yes.
Amendment lakadobni, delimitation lakadobni, and then the office has to be set up. ADC.
Right.
Hojikile River, even the present status of 4 districts, very pitiful. Masai Uzana have the Chume. District Ama Lairaga, District Amagi, administration to Laitriba. Other administration Laitabamatam, how the government is to bring in another ADC.
Ano ADC, Kamei create of Duno.
Aduna Maduna Sai 27 cabinet decision sina tribal Manung the division lai have ne. Unnecessarily Hojikti Akoigi district Mari Busu Matam Cha be the Anova ADCP Gdomni hai. Forgetting about the feasibility. Whereas Hujiki Ladiba present ADC ma'am Sinadi ADC Hujiki Ladiba X the Pangfoko Dovni hai. So there is a division of Manung the division lay have ne. That's why ATSUM na the decision of 27 is ambiguous, no clarity, and it is dividing the people.
Okay, without any homework, homework the Hutna infrastructure and machinery later is the Karam Haina Anova this ADC Mari se create or Michael Pantok and plus high riba Masi Pantok Hatar the Handing Lijiba Manipur Hill areas ADC Act 1971 amend of Matuk Taduri amend or Matung Sida Matugi Makataba district wise delimitation Mam Toduri Matun Habdi Matam Jang do we have Sangaduru Matam se Hana 2017 the Langa Matung Sida the Hogdravanina Hojik Madugi Tabak to Taula Targadi, Handigi Lejeriba ADC, Taru Haitare, ADC Masigi, Mikal Setum Pangtok than a postpone Torgachi, Ama Anisum, Hang Torole, Vigipium the Ladore Maramadona, Handigi Taru Hoitara, Maxedum Pulla Vanina Hojiksu, Pullaga, Handaki term Zidia, Mikal Pangtokiba, and Gamena when High River District Maxigi, ADC infrastructure, delimitation, Loen Tormatung Sida, Matagi term the probably separate election part of the Sukai, Habagi at Samgi. On the number of break impact news. Welcome back to Manung a 360-degree analysis of news and events with me, Raj Nongthombam. Manung Kanadar Manipur Gichingi District Tarada, ADC Mikhal Tara Pangtokani Haiduna, Langana, how Kiba Mars Kitang Kuntreta, Cabinet Decision Laukre, Hanadi Kogichingi District C, Mangale, Manidu Sadar Hills Camp Pisodum, District Amo and ADC Amo in a Paragat Puna Kogi. ADC Taruk Havatare, Masigi Michael Panto, Mani Haribe, ADC Taruk Sita, Husik Nauna Toliba, District Mari Sisu, the Magyauna, 2015, the Michael Panto Kibani, Aduka Hausi, Hariba Anoba District, Mari Sigi, separate ADC Michael Hadi, Hana 2015, the Panto Kiba, Mangarak Suba ADC Michael the Loy, Ravni, the term say 2020, the Loyre, Adana 2021 Sida, Taruk Suba ADC Michael Panto Matamda, Hariba Anoba, newly created District Mari Havatre Kamjong None, Tenopal Amadi Ferjol, Hariba District Mari Sigisu, ADC Mari, separately installed Torga Michael Pangtop, you have any Langan Madusu, Yakibi Wakum Dunia, Langan Yazaba Targasu, Hariba, Anoba District, Mari Sida, ADC Tamaki Target Madugile from Topo infrastructure sing, Adugi Madugi Mamang, the delimitation Togodaba, Aduga Maruina, Principal Act, Amendment of Whatever Mayamam, Larry Madu, Tauli Target Chahi Amama, Nargachahi Aniguma, Muksangi Targeti, Hujik ADC Mikhalis Hangna, Togdaba ADC Hangna Togdaba means ADC Kamaru, Hamatamda, Tampaki Mapunda, Gram Panchayat, Amadi, Municipality. municipal council gi maru oiba damaina khoi ching dasu ADC gi yam importance lei haiba tare masina khoi last mile da miyam ga khwai gi nangna ba local self government se hari ADC sing sin oibnina ADC gi mikhal pangthok kana chahi ani thambai bisu aphaba wafam am oiriduni maradona ATSUM gi demand si hana su dum pullaga lairibani and hari district mari sigi arrangement laitri phawbudi handa ki terms su tarulak suba ADC mikhal sisu punna pangthopa kesu kaidi haibagi wafam du male akoi hari district mari sigi mikhal tobiganu haide haibagi ATSUM gi wafam amlai and so isida ATSUM na di mikhal se thuna pangthok si kanu da 2020 gi November da dissolve to thokre lengang na November tha da adan hujik se sum mikhal pangthok tna leiba haibasi koi chingi district singi miyam gi right se matpu oiduni na mikhal se thuna pangthok si haibagi wafam da let's conduct the election as soon as possible haibagi demand da sangjali and mayam se pulap to mina se infrastructure leitri bokti haibagi wafam adan hujik infrastructure leitri lengang na 2017 da anu balenga park matung da to hoga da ba delimitation bo ero amendment bo ero haib mayam se to dna leibina hujik to ge hai taragade within a month mazu tawba yaram da bazu yai mar maduna madu loiba ngairaga tawtaragadi demand committee na taliba wafam duda laga taw leitaragadi matam yamna changba sino mar moraga atop district mayam sigisu including district mari sigisu magi miyam gi right selo matpa mikhal pangthok na leitaragadi madu oigadawni na hojiki oina ti tarulok soba mikhal se punna pangthok minarba ar sigi tenure manung sida delimitation amendment mayam se tahoraga mathangi probably 7th district council gi mikhal torku matam sida maduda khoi tara thona tobu ya habani ada ida kari wafam thambining
asi sida ena thamning bade aikoi oza ATSUM gi general secretary na oza na haibdo adu da aina thra thamning bade karino haib kan sida fact and figure government khaktabu blame to roise
okay
haib means the aikoi nungsimin na se hairadi aikoi tribal brothers and sisters and brothers should understand first their own problems because they live in the hill district because they are the same community tribals they are same scheduled tribe and they belong to the same tribe community adudigina aikoi ATSUM se handakatagi laiba onaisan natte
apun bagini
yamna sang na leirakraba krino ga onaisan amani asigumba onaisan na phau aikoi district maribu aikoi ichin inaw ni mokoi se yamna waden le government leitabagi ADC separate government leitabagi waden le hai ba phau khangbi draga consider tawbi draga kamaina government di khangadaba hana khangadaba ATSUM na mokoi su district P grabni 2016 nagi aduga Belly district da su Kakching aduga Ziribam ho ni su district Zila Parishad ti phangrabni since 2017 da adu akoi district mari gi di kariya man su PB din holo ne ab
okay
adu tribal sing asi akoi ATSUM ka tanate there are so many organizations working for the interest of the development of the tribals but they never consider they never raise this most important issue of the four hill district adudagina aikoina haining badi handak mak se matang se sap sare election matam suni adudagina kari oraga so government na district mari grievance makai do khanglaga local self government along with the 6 ADC hill district tauge haibadu da ATSUM su punna aikoi submin naraga hand in glove tauraga work tauraga aikoi tribal gi issue district gi issue ADC government gi separate oiba gi issue du da government of Manipur da government of India da address to min naradi aikoi gi demand se thuna phangaroidra haibagi ni natradi aikoi bu amuk lep out tawgradi aikoi se another 6-7 years amuk suffer tawdore
okay
adu suffer tawdab do ATSUM brothers sisters sing gi brothers sisters sing nusiraba ichini naw gantani moi do khang yenglaga leiba ngamudara aikoi na wa na leiba matamda madu point se moi na consider tawbo yabani hauji government na ekoi cabinet approve tawraga ekoi na necessary step oiba 10 hill district makai ge ekoi separate ADC government se election se tawrage hai na laibudu da thamani hum oraga su mari oraga su kala khangmin naraga brothers and sisters we are in the family family amakatani imung amakatani wathok karino lanjau lai taraga aikoi amakatani haibagi moment amoduta khanmin naraga khangmin naraga sakmin naradi aikoi mipum kudingma singda leiriba 4 hill district ta leiriba citizens makainsu pen bigini haibado AD adum thamjaning mare
adu baza khogi mangarak suba ADC haibata re 2015 gi June na pangthoki bese sigi matam dadi khoi kamjong ju urkul su pulap puna bo thada minai aduga ferzol su chang su pulap thada minai teno bol su chande ge pulap thada minai none su tamilong ge pulap thada minai ki haitare aduna hojik leiriba hari mamangi mangarak suba ADC da legiba khoi tamilong ADC adagi churchampur ADC adagi chandel ADC urkul ADC mari se haibata si mari se anuba district mari sigisu adum ADC oiminagi haibata re till 2020 phauba adum 2020 phauba de punna adum oiminagi bnina maduda adugi timing da so adum hairiba anuba district mari sida ferzol kamjong none amadi tenopal da magi phangpam thokpa right to phangdi haibiribra keno da matamdu da di apunba ADC adum oiki haitare keno da lengana thada ba funding haibata re center dagi thada rakpa finance commission makhat lag fund obi hai any devolution of power obi hai koi ADC sing de pidari mayam se punna koi public mayam se na coaching gi public mayam se na phangdabra sing
phangdaba haibu du e amani
okay
ai khoi na demand tawdi kari kari orga su separate ADC government local self government do district ama laibani na adu install tawiyo haibani government da khoi nidabdi
okay
demand tawdi praja sing na su khangpam tho ina ai khoi district makai se separate ADC se create tawidradi ai khoi future generation ge di kadai ai khoi opportunity kadai legani where younger generations will survive without enjoying all these activities with all these opportunities ai khoi younger generation ge yenglaga opportunity se create dause job create dause haibagi one howzik ai khoi tawraga su howzik district to the 6 district to the tawradi 24 kaktani ai khoi none district na enjoy tawse moi da represent tawse tarai kaktani
okay
ade none district phangladi ai khoi 24 phangani according to the former district member gi matung in ado 24 member ai khoi save ADC government phangladi angang sing chawkhatliba ingkhatliba younger generation the opportunity natro
yes opportunity hena phangba right sing hena phangjana bagi tanjadu handaki mikhal sida adum lahobu yare aduna lahorasi aduna apun bagi oina koi district taramak hill district atani aduna hariba district taramak sida mai magi empowered oiba ADC sing install tona ba hona minasi haibagi wafum demand committee gi adum lakmali so sida koi tongan tarage tokai tarage haibagi wafum amata demand de we are together we are the same people have wafum duni but as far as koi rights as far as koi opportunities to koi separate ADC lai taragadi madu khara hena hariba district tuna phangjagani member masing su yamagani haibagi opportunity gi right ki matang do lakpa male maram adai du da ngasai asam na su takpi ki koi miyam je thugai do re haibagi du miyam thoi wafum du di ojagi oja simon na su adum ba kem leite koi chap manai only opportunities and policy program koi miyam gi damak ta pidarak padu separate district tu gi ADC du gi mana lawjar taragadi magi member su masing hena leba opportunity hena create ba empowered oi ba district amo orakani haibagi wakhalonda mari sisu create obiro haibaduni aduna hari mari kamjong ferzol none and tenopal se hane gi ariba district sina ukhrul churchanpur chandel amadi tenopal na makoi mari se separate oi base hujik su still pam de haina lawdoribra kamai thambini
separate bifurcate tawbo pam de haiba leite
okay
leite ek to chalase the ek itself is very clear
okay
ko ek se district ek sida ADC taruk lay hamne ko adu ADC taruk sina district taruk khakta cover toy have nate. It covers the whole district, the hill areas of the state.
Okay.
Although subsection su lady, section 3 gi subsection 2 gi clause D the su. Autonomous district council amma have district amma ani hum na pulaga same bi ai. Kaskai de. Aduna masai gi district maribu thamhauba have gi there is no question. 6 ADC covers the whole hill areas as of now. And then coming back to the point of sai koi gi senior na have do. Definitely we support the demand. However, demand for more number of ADCs in the state, that should not derail or paralyze the whole ADC.
Yes.
Demand is in a maram way heraga. Maram cha maram yam chai. Adurusu masina demands in a maram way raga. Like the whole institution do. Like it's going to be derailed or to be paralyzed. We have a history of 20 years of gap. Masi koina demand to rubadagini. And then that history might happen again. Aduna koin ATSUM na kanbadi, we had also clearly put up in the public domain the call. We are not against the demand of the 4 districts. We in fact moige sympathy lay. We know their sentiment. Adubu however huziki lady basi the demand mari district mari na separate on tanwa maram duna the whole functionary, the whole institution of ADC masi paralyzed of the chumde hamne. Number 1, why? Huzik lady ba ADC gi lady ba taruk sida including the 4 districts. They are still under 6 ADC.
Yes.
Masi gi preparation loy kramatung phawa. Government is hesitating to announce election. Ko. Oda hakum phawa after government order to asi November October the election to uni have phawa election to ramde. Huzik kadai di announce bifurcate to do man hamnida. So let us try to perceive more of the government ki sincerity to hana. Hasani ying sinche hamnida. And then adune.
We have the ADC ki concept have that ADC se mari se hapsan naba amendment tauba the delimitation tauba so ngai le targadi koi ADC se malfunction organ atra paralyze organ le ragani have
definitely
but adu
sir ko sige maram da ADC paralyze tawgani tawroi have se government nanate have means the moige matam hek loire 2021 20 the meeting do hek matam loiba matam sida moi ex ADC makhai duna moi court of fight tawre ekoi ek 1971 ge ADC ge ek ta lei extension ge opportunity lei haina ko aduda moina high court of Manipur ge high court appeal tawbuda high court na judgment verdict period ko moi bu 6 months extend tawne ba adu matam da mo covid chu lai ko adu matam da adu matung da di government se house moina amo extend tawbio another 1 year gi akoi act le haina moi supreme court high court ta move tawne ba tawba matam da government na asidi yaroi haina dissolve taw khrabne ba dissolve taw khrabdi election se preparation ho bane ba ko adu delay tawse aikoi demand committee na sunate government na sunate ex ADC makai do moi extension tawbio 6 months tawire na the adugi matung da so another 6 months tawbio haina ko 1 year gi act the provision lai haina moi na tawbadagi delay tawbane ba
okay
it is not the ATSUM or not the demand committee on creation of 4 hill district autonomous district council neither the government of Manipur is delaying the ADC election there is no one to blame but in course of time during the time of extension after the extension period COVID problem also arises in all the internationally or nationally or in the state also adum ba problem makai ji thainaraga aikoi gi delay tawbagi phibam se lakpane ba ko amakhatabu government nani amakhatabu ATSUM nani amakhatabu moi nani haina blame tawba yade why they extend the court has extended 6 months aduna derail tawne ba
okay court na okay court ki intervention ki maram oraga mas delay tawne adu chada khoi ki
6 long month
yes
half year
even handa ki second march so high court ki order am ruling am lakko male madu su
adu state oyamne ba
ha khoi ki tribal affairs and hills department
am extension tawi haina ko
whether extend tawda torodra habdu head areas committee chi ibu habi wapam election commission na su state election commission na su notification tau haibagi order amasu legre adu bo jipo adu tawdri hai tare aduna sai sida khoi paralyze tawraga leibagi maram si khoi ATSUM junate demand committee junate lengak junate maru khoi ex members sing aduna tharamba court ta tharamba petition sing dana oiri haibagi wahum masu thambiri but adai du aduna to amu oraga adu su respond to wi ai nama hangjering nga sai khoi chahi almost 21 years mo difang oiroga difang origi maram kaino hai matamda haidi leaders sing aduna chingi leaders sing na pami se khoi hen empowered oiba ADC pamgi da makta 20 years si khoi ADC mikhal pangtok na lerak pani amen tor matung da khitang empowered empowered tor matung se 2010 dagi 2010 dagi khoi ADC mikhal se resume tor hai batare admai to udana empowered toraga ADC mikhal pangtok pa admai na haiba district mari se su empowered to biraga puna tara maki pangtok padi adugi idea malu jang sa haje koi loi empower to minerba loi opportunity phang mineraga pangtok targa di hen pani ketang war su wana ngai minasi habegi wafam amde pali adu kyam sang waga dage chahi ma wadu rubra ani ma waga dra habdu di adu di haibang amdre kamai thamin ngai du
ADC autonomous district council has it's not a a simple institution ADC leibagi maram yam le
yes
it is not a mere development not a mere infrastructure development ADC is in a ladiba hill areas the ladiba land resources ko masi mayam se yingsin bane and then ADC gi makhada there are many departments allotted in the absence of ADC ladiba ching administration it is severely impacted ko the idea of instituting ADC in the hills masai soi panbi kre maram yam chana ADC se thambi maram leina maduna masai gi haibumna ngai bi ai kiskai ngai se how long are we going to wait and who will be responsible if it goes on derailing and if it remains paralyzing ko kana responsible lau do buno hamida maduna yam simple way da koina ATSUM ma thamning badi yam uncertainty le hamida kadongai bifurcate to it is a time consuming ya matam lo do re maduna husi husi leire district mari issue present 6 ADC the leire we have the right to vote right to contest and then the whole provision of ADC Act is extended maduna husi leire status the election to hoga on process the bifurcation the government to sununa madune and then there is no question of belittling the 4 districts ko masai su pangre the demand of these 4 districts comes up in the month of February January harese 21 dane but the demand for conducting timely election se chahi mamang da leikre and then I will see again that ATSUM ki demand hai basu nungai te se in fact this is the basic responsibility of the government
right
government ki obligation ne ching da leiriba grassroots level democratic institution bu install tawba continuity lei hanba sustain tawba as government ki mathau ne masida akhoi ATSUM organization na masida demand tawba as I think this is not happening masida government ki rightful duty ne and then maduna aina singna haining bada government ki hesitation do na it is creating more confusion
okay hena confusion thole lengang na respond tau da bisna mar aduga maruna demand se timely election dun hai tare kogi magi tenure sahi manga gi term lore ne mekal that pang tho se habni mekal pang thok target di leiri baching gi district mayam sida maruina miyam sing gi hai tare mogi right to ningthina phangduni mogi right maloi duni opportunity loi lei duni and all the districts are being covered hujik leiri ADC X gi makada adu tare do ja koi demand committee se January dei su demand se tore hai tar mari se gi separate ADC lehen biu hai base adu nau na amu thole aduga ATSUM adigi miyam na chingi miyam na koi demand tore si di thuna mikhal je pang hek loi ba pang thok piu hai ba gi demand tor lak bane aduna hujik anauba demand hai anauba district mari se gi ADC option biu hai ba gi demand tor pasna mar moiraga ATSUM demand tawribasi derail tawnabagi natraga ADC gi concept sibu derail tawnabagi machagama demand committee na create tawre habasi accuse haja roy suspect tawnari haitar adu kamai respond to win
ai na suspect ai khoi bu suspect tàu bữa xíu vậy, đó bộ tàu phàm đi thốt tàu này bà con,
no not from ATSUM, I think atopa miu karena
tàu phàm đi thốt tàu này bà con, đó tàu ní ngay số lẻ rồi,
okay,
suspect tàu ní ngay số lẻ rồi, we are black and white, xin là black ní, xin là white ní hai bây giờ đun lẻ rồi ní,
okay,
đó ai na hàng ní mà xin đi, ở đó ATSUM coi được con, ADC ex ADC member coi na. 6 months extension PBO, 1 month extension PBO hai na. Extension PB ba matam do ta. Timely intervention. Howzik tau bugum na. ATSUM na so tau ge hai radi. Why not they intervene during the time of seeking 6 months extension from the court? ATSUM na karigi. Noi adumai tawba yade kota petition tharaga extension tawba yade government na election athuba matamda tawdabni haibage karigi question raise tawdabra asigi demand se pukhatabra
yes
mokoi na extension niraga nugai na enjoy tawraga leiba matamda ti kari ama so haidraga hojikti election government krino tawraga hojikti election tawdare 6 Hill district, 4 including with 4 hill district na so high na taurak pa matam sida ATSUM koi na so asi question raise taurak pa di ay koi na delay tawbani ay koi na derail tawbani hay ba magto di sumdaroy aduga ay so accept tawroy hay ba di demand committee na nate
situation
ADC election derail tauba or delay tauba hai base neither government su nate ATSUM su nate adubu ATSUM bu blame pining moina ex ADC makai
extension da kari
extension ni dan laiba matam da kari gi intervene taudabra
kari gi extend to hungry keno da November 7 mamang 2020 ki November ki 7 da koi gi bipolar manga pangthoi ta Manipur da aduna November ki 30 da कोई की ADC की even extension की मतम होबल हुए करें dissolve तो हो रहा है तो ना October दा कोई याम easily मिखल पांथो बयाय पांथो न बसु कोई होनर बयाय तारे अदा इतु तो हो तरफ है कि extension दा 2 minute हो रहा है अदु
मतम द मोइना intervene तौरम तारा दे आई कोई डिमांड कमिटी से जनवरी दा लापने नको
okay
thank you
lam da basu okay lam da basu
ai ngasai ahan ba di pan law ne I think we are not following the sequence of this demand ahan history do ngasai pan di pan jar ne mamang gi chahi 2020 da in the month of February January February so the Hilarious committee na extension ki damo condition laura meba reason se karino have the rainy season
yes
act the extension chahi ma pbi adubu maram the administrative difficulty later the have ne so rainy season se administrative difficulty nate adun extension to bose chumde
adu da ATSUM na
intervene the way
but after the expiration of extension November da expire ore adu matung da intervene to drober se ATSUM keno da November da election to we are Manipur da by election manga pangto hai assembly segment tare
ngasai I have the we intervene it is akoi consistently intervene the way starting from 2020 March tage madu da intervene the state government yamna nungai na extend to bire with an order of elections in October November pangthok ni have then consistently ATSUM be a price ban sudu matam da koi call to adu
hanagi ADC members sing na di makhata na 6 month amaga extend to na ba high court to widana
madu da if we go back to the MOU signed on 4th of November government ga madu da ATSUM ga MOU signed to bose timely conduct of ADC election without further extension of the office of the members of ADC. Hain MOU signed to ne. ATSUM we have intervened as an responsible organization intervene to rabne. Accordingly, Madhumatam dasu Hilarious committee nasu recommendation to because Hilarious committee is the kaini ADC gi maram se hilarious committee they are responsible. It is within their purview.
Right.
Maduna moi gi purview to they also recommended that it should not be further extended. It has to be conducted on timely. So that way, 10 November the state government they had taken a decision that term of office extend dissolved already.
Okay. Timely kui Michael Pang timely election habatare. Matam chana to we within sik pamisi taruki orga su taragi orga su within yam tuna to bang am taragadi madu pun mangna harau gata badu solution odine adubu yam telaba matam si manung da lengang na hari ba thabak mayam se pangtho ga Michael Pangtho pangam gadru habagi yam chauba question nama didmak leri sigi question sigi pakhum karam na pigadano habadu di lagli ba matam khara sida dikhangani dubu haying dagi koi shutdown khara mafam khara da tawne district hill district sing da tawni habagi yam nuai taba paw amadi lere mamang da su samai torubu lei aduna masjid lei handana bi damak ta lenga ki maike digi hari ba achauba question na habata yam tu na Michael se kamai na pangtho no tara da su targa tarukta Taruk plus 6 plus 4 da tauba na 6 kata da tauba whatever 6 dabu ero 10 dabu ero pun maksida yam tu na timely election to wamadi mathak tari habigi not se ngasi gi manu hunagi tharam se mata sha election jerge ngasi tharam se da Andria amadi oja Simon na lemri ta tharam se thawa happy kheba amadi bapum khan bigi damakta yes matam se I am running out of time thank you so much for coming to the show Masana ngasi manu hunagi tharam ngasi gi edison Instagram to bi ko khan bir pu yagane koi mail id impactvnews@gmail.com natarga koi Facebook page www.facebook.com/impactvmanipur da join to biraga comment amadi feedback ta bir pu yagane well ladies and gentlemen thank you so much for joining us from the other side of the screen until next time this is Raj Nongthombam signing off